Hey guys, it's Nathan, and we were recently gifted the ceiling fan light. I'm going to show you how to install it, and then at the end we'll have a beautiful reveal. All right, so step one is getting the pieces out, putting them on a towel or something soft where it's not going to scratch the pieces before you put them up. You want them looking good. And they also recommend that you use gloves as well, so keeps the fingerprints off and keeps everything looking nice as well. And then from there you have a decision to make. You have the drop down, you have the shorter one, and you have the longer one. So depending on how high your ceiling is, how low you want it to hang, that's the first decision. We're going with the short throw, so that's how we're gonna start it. Okay, so the first steps really are assembly, and it's grabbing your down rod, whichever one. Like I said, I'm using the small one. And we're gonna use that to go through like this. Okay, and then we're gonna take this magnetic piece right here, this piece. A couple magnets on there, put that on the outside. And then from there, I'm gonna grab this little dome piece and it's gonna go right over like that. So that is the first assembly. And then the next job will be to remove these different screws here. All right, next thing we need to do is this pre-assembled thing that we just did a couple steps ago. We're gonna feed these wires through it. And once that is in place, we're gonna take those screws that we just took out the last time and put them back in, and it's gonna tighten this post to the actual unit itself. All right, so the wire's fed through. Next thing we gotta do, this pin that we took out a little while ago, that's gonna go back through. The pre-drilled holes that's in the stem in there as well. I've got this little cotter key here. All right, so now we want to line up this stem. There's a hole that passes through there. And we want to take this pin and put it through. Okay, pops out the other side. So now I want to take the cotter key that's right here, pop it through. All right, that's step number one. Now I got to take each one of these screws that I undid a while ago and screw these in. Too crazy. We already got the pin through there, so it's feeling pretty good. I think that'll hold. So I went ahead and turned off the circuit breaker, and I made sure that the switch is off too, just for redundancy. And now I'm just gonna make sure that we're good to go, that there was no live wires, because I do not want to get electrocuted today. Good to go. All right, next on the list, we got to mount the mounting bracket. This is what is going to be secured to the receptacle up there. That's going to keep it in place, keep it safe. All right, now for a fun part, we get to see what it looks like for the first time. All right. All right, mostly done. Now for the easy part. We're gonna put that through, twist it, and we're gonna tighten down these screws. All right, and then this piece with the magnets, done.